Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious roll paratha from scratch. First, let's prepare the dough. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix these ingredients well, then slowly add about 3/4 cup of water to form a soft dough. Knead it for 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Finally, let the dough rest for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for a tender paratha. Now that our dough has rested, it's time to create those wonderful layers. Divide your dough into 8 equal portions. Take 1 portion and roll it out into a thin 6-inch circle. Next, brush the entire surface with about 1 teaspoon of oil or ghee and sprinkle a small pinch of dry flour over it. This layering technique is key to achieving a flaky texture. Fold the circle in half, then fold it in half again, forming a neat triangle. With our layered triangles ready, let's get them onto the griddle. Gently roll each triangle into a 5-inch round paratha, being careful not to press out all the layers. Heat a flat griddle or tawa over medium-high heat until it's nice and hot. Place 1 paratha on the griddle and cook it for about 1 minute on each side. As it cooks, brush about 1/2 teaspoon of oil on each side until it turns a beautiful golden brown and puffs up slightly. Once your parathas are cooked to perfection, remove them from the griddle. For that extra flakiness, gently crush each paratha between your palms. This helps separate the layers beautifully. Now comes the fun part, filling. You can use any savory filling you love, like spiced potatoes, chicken, or paneer. Roll it up tightly to create a delicious, portable meal. Serve your homemade roll parathas immediately and savor every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.